Have you ever felt this? That whether you're at home, in the office, or among friends, you find yourself trapped in a circle where there is criticism everywhere, fault-finding, anger. Everyone is blaming someone else, and you are exhausted in the middle of this struggle. Today, I have come to give you a weapon that can end this war. This weapon is neither knowledge, nor wealth, nor power. It is something that already exists within all of us. We have just stopped using it. An image from one day comes to my mind. I was stuck in traffic. The car in front of me kept stalling again and again. The anger inside me was boiling. I honked the horn and stared at the driver through the mirror. My mind was crafting taunts for them. Then, suddenly, my eyes fell on the back window of that car. There was a small sticker on it. It read, "New driver, please be patient." In an instant, everything changed. My anger, my impatience drifted away like smoke. In its place, another feeling emerged: empathy. I thought, God knows how nervous this girl or boy must be, how scared they must be. I stopped honking, and when they made space for me, I smiled and waved to say thank you. Look, most of the battles in our lives exist because of the absence of just one thing: the effort to understand. We see people's actions, but we do not see their pain. We hear their words, but we do not hear their silent screams. Every bad behavior is a silent cry for help. When you begin to understand someone's psychology, instead of getting angry, your eyes begin to moisten. Do you know what the most powerful lesson of psychology is? It is this: every human being is a hero in their own world. The person who is hurting you today may be fighting injustice in their own story. They may be trying to protect themselves from their wounds and their fears. Diagnose the disease. Do not kill the patient. Who are you most angry with in your life? Now, for a moment, close your eyes. Imagine, what might this person's story be? How was their childhood? What burden lies on their heart today? What fears are they going through? Have you ever thought that the person who shouts at you may have been shouted at their entire life? The one who ignores you may never have felt that they were ever truly seen. So from today, right now, make this promise. The next time someone hurts you, makes you angry, pause, take a breath, and ask one question: what pain might this person be going through? This single question will change your relationships, your home, your world. From an angry person, you will become a helping human being. From a critic, you will become an understanding friend. To change the world, power is not required. Empathy is, and this empathy begins with you. This is not just knowledge of psychology, it is the art of being human. Share this video because perhaps today, because of you, someone will choose to hold a hand instead of getting angry. Take care of yourself, take care of one another, and always try to understand.